guys, here we are at the pin-loaded lat pull-down. There are so many different ways you can use the machine, but I'm going to keep it really simple just so you can use it the way it's intended to be used. Couple of adjustments here, and the first one is obviously the weight stack, which is as per normal, pick your weight. Something that is uncomfortable, slightly uncomfortable, but you can move and control. The second one is the height of the pads. You pull the pin, slide it up and down. Now it needs to be, the easiest way is to lift it up, take a seat, okay, pull the pin and adjust it back down so it sits snugly on your thighs. And that way, you're not gonna have any uplift motion as you pull the bar down, especially if you're going heavy. Not such a big deal. If you're gonna go light, I would almost get it out of the way completely, because you don't need it unless you're lifting more than your body weight. If you start lifting a weight and you start flying up, you're going too quick, okay? Now, you can also adjust the bar to a couple of different bars. You can get a narrow grip, a wide grip. You can do a reverse grip for more biceps. The wider you go, the more you use lats. The narrower you go, the less you use lats. If you flip it around, you add a little bit of bicep in it. Either way, I'll start with a nice wide grip, not too heavy bar, pads not really touching my thighs, and as I take it down, I'm nice and upright, okay? Squeeze through core and pull that bar straight down past my nose and into just under my chin. So it does this little J movement, okay? All the way up. Now as I squeeze down, I'm squeezing my shoulder blades in nice and tight, okay? As I come all the way up, I'm extending those arms, getting that full stretch out of lats, squeezing those shoulder blades back and down, keeping that chest nice and upright. I am not leaning back into this position. Incorrect. We don't want to do that. We want to stay nice and upright, okay? We also there's no point, because you're not really using lats if you take it down past your chin and try and push down to here. Again, no point. Brace that core, keep yourself nice and tall, pull yourself down to just past the chin, squeeze between those shoulder blades, and that is the full range of motion. Once you're done, slide it up, and that's our lat pull down.